So, have you heard about pregnancy brain or mommy's brain? Basically, what happens when we're pregnant is our brain shrinks and then we become more forgetful, we can be more depressed, we're not feeling our usual self. You keep going into a room and you're like, what was I trying to do? Well, that is a real thing. And so it's not just like, wait and see what happens. Yes, with time, it shows that the brain shrinkage gets a little bit better, but it can definitely last 6 months to a year, or, some people say it never goes away. And then what do? You get pregnant again. So let's actually talk. So besides the brain shrinking, we talked about a little bit of what are the symptoms that you might have. So being forgetful, feeling depressed, low energy, our mood being off. Basically, the things that we want to do is the usual things that we do at Vitality, right? So we want to look at your blood work, we want to look at your hormones, we want to look at nutrient deficiencies, we want to look at inflammatory markers and metabolic markers, because all of those things can contribute to those symptoms. And so if we can fix those underlying problems, great. Once we've done that and you're still having problems, we have great technology at Vitality called Exomind, and it's transmagnetic stim to the brain. It works on emotional regulation and cognition. It's growing new neurons. It helps improve sleep. What do moms in general lack? Sleep. And then they feel stressed and they have less resilience. Well, Exomind will address all of those things. And so it's kind of reversing that brain shrinkage and help with cognition and improve that mood and well-being. And what new mother or mother in general wouldn't benefit from that? So talking about mommies, not only am I a mom of 3 kids and 2 stepchildren, but I also am a mommy of doggies. And, being a mom, we play such an important role in the health and well-being of our family. And if we're not feeling well, then we're kind of letting everybody else down. So generally what moms will do is put aside all of their symptoms, complaints, pull ourselves together to try to help the kids and take care of everyone. But I have to sort of say, if we can make you feel better, then actually that will translate to everybody else in the family. So when you take time for yourself and learn how to eat right and exercise a little and learn how to de-stress, realize what nutrients you tend to be low on, whether it's because we did it through blood work or we did genetics, guess what? Your kids are an extension of you. So likely if you're low on something, they're likely low on it too. So, it's really important to, instead of putting ourselves last, we should put ourselves first, because when we take care of ourselves, then everybody else is going to benefit. You're going to have more resilience, you're going to have more ability to cope with the stresses, and you're less likely to be irritable, moody, tired. Again, why Vitality is so important in helping you is because we really understand and we really know what to do to get you where you want to be and feel better. So if you have any concerns, you have any comments, love to hear from you. Book an appointment. It's always the first step. And happy Mother's Day.